So this is the e34 chrome rim up tap, the trim for a e34 from AliExpress. You can also buy, I know there's some other ones that you can buy on other websites, and they're made out of metal. I think they're made out of aluminum, gold plated. I wasn't sure, so I decided to give this AliExpress ones a try. I believe I paid like $12 for shipping, and I think they took about 3 weeks to get here, which is not bad, all the way from China, from my Chinese brothers. So anyways, that's what they look like. I installed one already, and I just need to install that one. Now the two big ones in the middle are pretty easy. They're made of plastic, of course, so I just kind of squeeze them a little bit and they go in, and then just gotta push them in. And if you can tell the little tab right there, that's what they hold in, and they're pretty tight, so I don't think they will fall off. Same thing for that ones. Now these little small ones right here, you have to actually trim this plastic here with the razor blade. Just don't be careful, and don't do what I did. I used this one with the pointy thing here, and I accidentally scratched the inside of my plastic, which looks horrible, especially on this side, because I really fucked it up on this side. But oh well, fuck it, I'll get some other one next time. But anyways, yeah, if you're gonna install these, the ones on the side, you gotta trim around the top in order for these to fit back in, good, and trim little by little. Don't go a little crazy, and then go back and test fit it, and then go back in there and try it. Make sure it fits tight. As you can tell, this one should fit in tight too. I don't think it should fall off. Yep, I don't think it's gonna fall off. But I'm gonna put a little dab of glue, crazy glue, in the back of this one and this one, and I might put a little bit here just to double check. Now if you want to know how to remove this plastic out, you basically pull this out. These are the ones that go here. Just jack them out, they come off, and then remove this Phillips screws from the back. There's one here, two up here, one here, and there's two on the bottom, right there and right there. Just remove those, and this comes off. Pretty simple, nothing major. So that's how you do it. And then of course you put it back in the car with the two Phillips screws. They'll hold from up here, push it back in. It's a pain in the ass to get out from the car. The way I did it, I turned the car on, and I was able to pull it, but due to the fact that this sticks out too much, I kind of just pushed this into the top of the steering wheel in, and then I just turned to the driver's side door, and that's kind of how it came off. So you could try that and see if that works. Well, that wraps it up. Let me know if any questions. Peace.